Yeah.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know, what you're smoking. Oh, backfired through the intake. In this video, we ride around on motorcycles. Jake has a cylinder down that's misfiring, so we try to solve the problem. And then we attend the event of Garage Brews, which is a motorcycle show. I'm not sure if that's the name of it though. It's a motorcycle show at Ryan Guys in downtown Cincinnati, where they have bikes on display to go check out. So stick around for that. It's dying. Damn, you went from a full tank to almost empty. So we pull into this BP. Yeah, let's pull in there. Yeah, and then I'll fill that other exhaust pipe, see if it's warm or not. So Jake's bike has a cylinder that's not firing, and it loaded up with fuel. Either try to get all the fuel out of it, or possibly pop off the gas tank and crank it over, pull the spark plug out, crank it over. Probably got fuel in the intake too. Yeah, it felt like it was clearing out a little bit and then went right back to it. I think if you just try to ride it like as smooth as possible instead of like
Wrapping it up?
Yeah, don't try to clear it out like with the throttle, just ride it consistently smooth and then see what it does. I think see, you need to try to get that other spark plug to start firing or something.
Right.
Yeah. I think that cylinder was full of fuel.
Maybe.
And it just kept filling it, and you probably got some in your intake too, because it's pushing it out both. It's trying to push it out whatever it can.
Right. You hear that?
Yeah.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know, we were smoking. Oh, backfired through the intake.
Now what?
Try starting it. I guess ride it, see what happens. Try ride it like just smooth and consistent and see if it clears out. Like right now it sounds alright. It's still spitting out a bunch of fuel. Oh, this car's been sitting here with their hazards on since we pulled in. When you're cruising, it's not spitting out at all. It's just the timing of how much fuel and air mixture it's getting. Yeah. I think that injector's stuck open, and that's why it's never been never firing. It's just flooding that cylinder with gas. I don't think it ever matter if you put premium in it. I usually put premium. It's still not hot. I think pull it out and crank your bike over and see what it's doing. If it's consistently spraying or if it's spraying at a pulse. Turn your bike over, pull the injector out and hold it in like a water bottle or something, and turn your bike over, crank it over, and see if it's spraying out consistently or if it's spraying, pulsating when it's spraying. Yeah, you've been spending all that time in Cincinnati, you don't even know what your backyard looks like. Yeah, it looks like your injectors are inside of your throttle body, so we'll have to move the gas tank.
You ready now?
Yep.
I can see.
Sound like one of them Harley riders. Yeah, it did seem like it tried there for a second. And it sounds like it right now. Yeah. I mean, it might, but when you're wide open throttle, you're just, you know, you're dumping tons of fuel in it because it's trying to keep up. It's not spitting out fuel anymore. It sounds a lot better too. This is a big ass bike.
Look at the handlebars, like they're just...
Yeah. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite part of the video was.